All right, guys, so we are in Moultrie, Georgia, and this is just, they got all kinds of stuff here, so we'll see what they got. Where's the car corral or car parts? All right, North Georgia Corvettes. You need Corvette parts. It's right here.
Yep, no, I'm fine. I appreciate it, but no, she got it over there. I had her count through and see what she had extra.
We'll see if we find any cars or stuff around here that's left. Yeah. All right, guys, so here in Moultrie, I see it's kind of cold. I see a couple cars around. Let's see what we got. Oh, looks like somebody's got a Corvette hood. 3 Mile Island Speed Shop, hottest rods on the planet. Huh, pretty neat. It's a pretty cool truck. Let's see. Huh. Pretty cool. All kinds of stuff. All right, let's go over here. It's like somebody's got a T-Bird, 56 T-Bird for sale, 912-665-1235. Well, this is kind of what we came here to see. We'll see what's left. It's Sunday. They got rained out yesterday. Huh, pretty cool. All right. So they got a car corral over here. Let's see what's over here. Okay. By the way, it is really cold. It's probably about 40 degrees. There's all kinds of grills and stuff for Ford trucks. So let's walk around, and I think this is a car corral here. So here's somebody made a Chevy dually. Looks like what's a 68 cab. It's a 72 cab C30. Okay, let's see, it's 1972 with a 400 big block, power steering, power brakes. Pretty cool, with a dually on the back. It's just a nice clean truck. Skylark 62 V8 4-speed original bucket seats. So there's the phone number, 256-601-2227, guys. Buick Skylark. Huh. Pretty original. Looking pretty original, guys. Two-door Buick Skylark. 66,000 miles on it, and it's a stick shift. Wow, check down there, that Buick gauge right down there. It's pretty cool. Neat interior. It's all original. F&F Buick in Brighton. It's got a Colorado plate on it. Pretty neat. Pretty cool video. Pretty cool. And then it's a 71 Sailor Trade 383 stroker motor. 25658 1851. Cowl induction hood. Metal hood, cowl induction. 383 stroker. .01524. B&M slap shifter, I think. Well, it's a slap shifter. I don't know if it's B&M, but a couple gauges in there. Not an SS, but that's okay. Nice interior. Really pretty paint job. Ghost stripes underneath. Pretty sweet. Camaro has SS on it. It's got RS grill, 67 LS auto, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Doesn't say what motor. Is this yours? It's a real SS or with the RS package or?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm Sean. I have a YouTube channel, Junkyards and Barn Finds.
Yes, sir.
So, you want to tell me a little bit about the car? Well, first, did you sell it today?
No, sir.
Okay. So it's still for sale?
Yes.
If somebody wants to reach you, they can get it at the 256-558-1851 number?
Yes, sir. Sure can.
Where are you all out of?
Fort Payne, Alabama.
Okay, okay. Just so they know, but it can be shipped anywhere,
Right.
obviously.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about the car. What's your first name?
Marty.
Marty Armstrong. So, did it come with the SS RS package?
Yes, sir.
So it's a real SS and numbers matching block or anything?
No, it's ALS.
Okay, okay.
Fuel injection, got the old drive transmission, disc brakes, air conditioning, digital dash. It's, like I said, pretty nice old car.
Okay, okay. So, oh, cool. Well, it's available to be shipped anywhere you want.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, guys, there you go. Give them a call.
Appreciate you.
So we're gonna go see what else we can find here.
Yes, sir. Thank
So
you.
we'll be putting this up on. We get about 3
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, 76 vintage Air 4x4. That's a neat truck. This is pretty clean. Toyota. You guys always tell if I see these Toyotas to put them on, so I'm putting the Toyota on for some of you guys. So, oh, I'm gonna open up this. We didn't get to see the inside of the Camaro, so let me show the inside. We didn't look at the inside of this real quick.
Well, I would have.
No, I know, my fault. Usually I do, but I'm so cold right now. So it's got. Is that there's a gauges in there? Digital dash. Okay, it's all digital. So it kind of looked that way, but I wanted to ask. So other than that, it's a super clean car, guys. If you're looking for something fun, this would be definitely, this is a fun ride looking. So, all right. Let's see, we got Pontiac Tempest, Le Mans. Let's see, out Chattanooga originally. Pretty neat car here. Got a little fun pep to it. I don't know if that's the original block Maybe. I don't know. So, and then the interior here. Let's see if the interior open. So you got red interior. 102,000, maybe more. Factory air right there. Pretty neat car. Pretty solid. I like the mirrors. So it's a 62 4-cylinder 4-barrel factory air car. 558 1851 and a 402 Nova. Frame off on this one. Let's take a look. So this has custom interior done to it. Frame off restoration, Hurst shifter, all the gauges, Grant steering wheel. It's actually a really nice interior. This is it's like a cloth, like the 1980s cloth. Cow induction hood. Let's see, 72, 468 4-barrel with a 4-speed. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, and 859-612-9302 is the phone number for this one, guys. But this looks like a little fun ride for a Saturday. I like that front spoiler. I don't see many of those, but it does have a factory, or not a factory, but it has the